Okay, so guys, don't tell anyone, okay? But just watch how I will turn this into... Be right back. Bam! In your face, guys. Look at this. From, sorry, from this to this. What do you guys think? I think it's cute, don't you think? It's actually, I used die cuts, I used just scissors. I mean, just look at this. Isn't that a beautiful thing? So this is what I enjoy the most. Transforming blank media to beautiful. So tell me what you think, guys. If you think this is awesome, feel free to leave a message or let me know what you think. And thank you so much for your support and for watching. Bye-bye.